Dropkick 2-3 on station. Let's kill them all this time.
Targets are up, boys. Let's kick this off.
We're RTB to refuel. Good luck, guys.
Greetings, operators, and welcome to another Prop House. On this episode, we're going to be making Ghost Mask from Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and then we're going to be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To learn how to enter, just keep watching. For this build, we're going to need several components, including a black balaclava, a tan gaiter, gray straps, strap buckles, and of course, the mask. The mask was 3D printed using PLA plastic, and was designed by Robo 3D Shop. Links to where you can find this model, as well as a free alternative, are in the description. And without further ado, let's breach into the rest of this video. To start off, we're going to sand down the mask to remove any of the rough bits from printing. We'll begin with 120 grit sandpaper and work our way up to 220. Next, we need to attach the mounting points for the straps. To do this, we're going to take these 3D printed brackets, model link in the description, and superglue them onto the mask. Now that the glue is dry, the next thing we need to do is prepare a soldering iron to do some PLA welding. Simply take the soldering iron and lightly apply it around all the connection points of the brackets. This will melt the two plastics together and form a much stronger bond than the glue. Once this is done, those brackets should be nice and secure. Continuing the smoothing process, we're now going to start resin smoothing. Prepare a bucket and place the mask inside. Don't forget to wear your safety equipment. Then get some UV cure resin. We'll be applying this resin over the mask. Pour a small amount out into a cup, and then begin brushing it evenly over the inside and outside surfaces of the mask, being sure to cover all areas. Once the mask is completely covered, we then need to cure the resin. You can do this by either taking it outside and letting it cure in the sun, or using a UV lamp like we are here. Make sure that you cure both sides of the mask. Once the resin is cured, we can move on to the final sanding phase. Because of the dust generated from the resin, you may want to cover your work surface. We're going to start off with a 320 grit sandpaper. Hold on. Was this $5.99? It's a pretty good deal, actually. I might save this one. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, as I was saying, we're going to start off with 320 grit sandpaper and work our way up to 800 while smoothing out the mask. Once it's nice and smooth, we can then begin painting. Taking the mask outside, we'll spray it down with some white spray paint in order to form a base coat. We'll then hop back inside and begin taping off areas of the mask to paint, including these triangles and two buttons. We'll then cut out the shapes and apply some red and silver paint to the triangles and buttons respectively. Once the paint is dry, you can then remove the tape. And now the moment everyone's been waiting for. I'm going to tell you how you can enter to win this mask, as well as the black balaclava and tan gaiter. In order to enter, simply leave a comment with the word ghost. You can have other words in the comments, just as long as the word ghost is in there, you'll be entered. I'll be announcing the winner of the giveaway in 3 weeks, so be sure you're subscribed so you can be notified. Once again, to enter, just simply leave a comment with the word ghost. Now back to the video. To finish off the mask, we're going to be applying the Forge Tack logo. In order to do this, we're going to be creating our own water slide decals. Simply print out this sheet onto the special water slide paper and then seal it with some acrylic spray. Then cut out the logos. Once they're cut out, you can then begin the water slide process. Take a bowl of water and place the decal inside. Let it soak for about a minute or until it starts to peel off the backing paper. While that's happening, apply a little bit of water to where you'd like to apply the decal. Once it's ready, bring it over and line it up, and then begin sliding the backing paper off of the decal. Once it's applied, simply dab it dry with a paper towel, but be careful not to peel it off again. Repeat this process for the other side decal as well as the forehead one. Now it's time to prepare the strap. Take the gray strap and cut out two lengths, one to 20 inches and the other one to 26 inches. Apply a little bit of gray paint to the ends of the straps to keep them from fraying. Once the paint is dry, take the shorter of the two straps and thread the buckles onto the ends. Then attach the strap to the two lower mounting points on the mask. Once that's complete, take the longer strap and thread the buckle onto one end. Then attach it to the top left bracket. Once that's done, take the longer strap and wrap it around the shorter strap at the bottom just like this. Then place the second buckle on the end of the strap and attach it to the other bracket point. And with that, the mask should be just about complete. Oh shit.